In today's video, I'm going to teach you to pay with Barclays Contactless Mobile. We'll walk through how to get set up and how to make a smooth, secure payment at the checkout using your phone. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect when you tap to pay and how to avoid the most common hiccups. First, you'll add your Barclays debit card to a mobile wallet. You can do this straight from the Barclays app by choosing to add your card to Apple Pay on iPhone or Google Wallet on Android. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your card details and complete any quick security checks. This links your card to the wallet so you can pay with your phone instead of a plastic card. It's a one-time setup, and once it's done, you won't need to repeat it unless you change phones or remove the card from your wallet. After your card is set up, you're ready to make payments anywhere you see the contactless symbol or the Apple Pay or Google Pay marks. At the till, simply unlock your phone and hold it near the contactless payment reader. Keep the top or back of your phone close to the reader, just a couple of centimeters away, and hold it steady for a moment. Your device will usually vibrate or chime when it connects. Next, wait for the tick or confirmation on your device to confirm the payment. On screen, you might see a check mark, the word done, or a similar message. Some terminals will also display approved. If you don't see a confirmation, lift your phone away, wait the screen again, and try holding it a bit closer or at a slightly different angle. It should only take a second or two when everything lines up. A quick note on how this works today. The dedicated contactless mobile service inside the Barclays app was closed in June 2023. That means payments are now made through mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Wallet. The experience is more consistent across shops and devices, and you still get the same bank-level security, including device authentication before each payment. That's really all there is to it. Add your Barclays debit card to your chosen mobile wallet through the Barclays app, then unlock your phone, hold it near the reader, and wait for the confirmation. If a payment ever doesn't go through, simply try again or use your physical card as a backup. With this setup, you can leave your wallet in your pocket and check out faster, safely, and confidently. And that's it. You can now pay using Barclays Contactless Mobile.